Hi friends, from my experience, let me share you 3 things you must avoid while writing any competitive exam. The third thing in the list that you must avoid is avoid judging questions based on their length. Let me make it more clear with an example. So both these questions are same. What technique is used for finding out a specific DNA fragment? And this is a question. While seeing this question in 2 sentences or a single sentence, we feel happy as it is easy to read and we think that it is very easy to understand. It is a direct question so that you can answer very easily. So this is a feel we have. Now I am going to rephrase this question. A team of paleontologists stumbled upon a fascinating fossil specimen. It's a long bone with many morphological characteristics similar to a dinosaur bone. To confirm its identity, which method do the scientists employ to detect a specific DNA fragment, a true dinosaur signature, within this fossilized bone? Remember, both these questions are same. While seeing this descriptive question, we are often sad. We often think it's very difficult to read, very difficult to understand, and also we think that this is an application level question. As you can see, the keyword is there in both the question. To find out a specific DNA fragment, here also you can see to find out a specific DNA fragment. This descriptive question not only checks your knowledge, actually checks your patience, perseverance, also checks your capacity to deal with an application level question or seeing a question from a different angle. Remember, both these questions are same. If you know the answer of this question is also very easy and you can answer definitely. So please avoid judging questions by its length. The second in the list is refrain from skipping a question at first glance. Let me make it more clear. Suppose this is a question in angiosperm, the haploid, diploid and triploid structures of a fertilized embryo sac sequentially are. Options are synarchids, primary endosperm nucleus and zygote, and these are the options. Let me take the pen option. Suppose I haven't studied this topic or embryology, plant embryology. I don't know anything about plant embryology. I skip that topic. Still, you can answer this question. How? Here you can see this is diploid. I know that zygote is diploid. So the question is sequentially arrange. So let me check this diploid. This is the first one and this is the second one and this is the third one. So let me check. The zygote appears in the second position. Zygote is diploid, I know. So see the options. Zygote appears second only in the third option. Then you can be damn sure that this is the right answer, without even knowing what are synarchids or what are primary endosperm nucleus. So with a basic knowledge, you can answer this question. A question that you skipped, now you can answer that question. So that's a great bonus that will help you to achieve your dream. Let me take one more example. So this is a familiar pattern of question that is there in almost all competitive exams, much the following. Here also there are many enzymes. You may not be familiar with these enzymes. Suppose I'm not familiar with this enzyme. I know that this oxidative phosphorylation, that is something related to electron transport chain. I know that C, the matching one is here C3 or C3. So check for is there any option with C3. Here it is not there, so this is not the right answer. Here also not there. Here also not there. Then here you can see there is C3. Now check for this B4. B glycolysis is also called as EMP pathway. Now things are becoming more and more clear. So with a knowledge of a single option, you can answer this question. Hope you are clear with what I am saying. Don't skip questions all on a sudden. Take time to understand the question. There will be some clue that helps you to answer that question. And the most important thing that you must avoid is do not begin with a page full of challenging questions. So once you are in the exam hall, you have the answer sheet. Actually, it takes time to adjust to the situation, often 30 seconds to 2 minutes. You may be a little bit tensed, so it will take time to adjust. all on a sudden, while looking the first page, you may not be familiar with the questions. So don't worry. The thing is, you are prepared. Your questions are coming. It will be in the next page. So skip that page and turn to the next page. Don't be sad. Don't get panic. So answer the questions you know first. So turn the page, and maybe you may be knowing many answers from this page. That actually improves your confidence. It's all about the confidence. Each correct answer boosts your confidence, eases your situation, that helps you to understand the questions better with clarity. So once you answered some questions here, you have the confidence. Then you come back to the page that seemed difficult. Then read and reread. Then most of the questions becomes clear so that you can answer it very easily. So this confidence cue will help you to answer many more questions or to understand many more questions with clarity. Wishing you the very best. Take care. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. You are with biologyexamsforyou.com.